Hey guys, John W. Loudermilk here. Today I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing the Ibanez GSRM20BS miKro bass guitar. Now, I'll just go ahead and tell you, I love the size. It's absolutely perfect for any kid that is wanting to learn bass. I highly recommend that. Matter of fact, that's why I bought it. Was because I have a 10-year-old that is wanting to learn bass. Alright, let's get to unboxing. So first of all, it's very light. I can tell that before even taking it out of the box. This is brought to me by Sweetwater Sound. Very good packing so far. Lots of bubble wrap. This is it. This is how tall it is. Look, that is not very big so far. Let's take this off. Lots more bubble wrap, which is great because you can't be cautious enough when shipping an instrument. So, all right, in here with foam and okay, we've got a tool and manual. All right. Let's just take this bad boy out. I'm excited about this one. Wow, this thing is very pretty. Very good craftsmanship. I just love how small it is for a bass guitar. This is going to be cool. Alright, so I'm going to test this out on my Fender Rumble 100. That's a new amplifier from Fender. Now, if you haven't checked that out, I did a video on it, and be sure to check it out. I love it. In the tone. It went from subby all the way up to kind of a modern punchy, but it's got some good tone knobs, volume knob. I really love how it's playing. It feels really good. It's just a short bass. It's a lot shorter than what I'm used to, but especially for a young kid or something, I would highly recommend it. Or even an adult, you could gig with it for sure. I mean, I really like it. It sounds great. Yeah, I think it's really well made. Especially, it's the perfect beginner bass. I mean, I think that this bass, if you're starting out, is the one to buy for any beginner, even an adult, because it's just it's less complicated. It's smaller. It's lighter, and standing up, it's comfortable. But yeah, I highly recommend it. I love it. It's super lightweight. I can't say enough good things about it. For the price point, it's perfect. You should absolutely, if you're considering starting out, or if you just want something small that's easy to tote around, or something for a younger kid that wants to play bass, absolutely recommend it, 100%. Again, this is the Ibanez miKro, miKro. miKro. And yeah, it comes in several different colors. So thanks for tuning in. Please be sure to like the video and like and subscribe to our channel. If you are interested in learning guitar or songwriting, I have an online master course program that I created. We are Hope Scholarship approved if you have that. But if not, I also made it affordable to all. Your first week will be free as well, so go in there and check it out. I have products as well, shirts that I make with cool designs on them that just help support us. We are a veteran-owned company. My wife's an 18-year veteran as of 2024. So help us out, support us, and let's keep this thing going. We appreciate you. Also, let me know in the comments if there's something that you'd like me to try to review, and I'll do my best to get my hands on it and give you a good, honest review on it. So thank you, and we'll see you next time.